caution page, faded out photo showing all her age. Rust on the frame, tie sunk in the ground, just a forgotten tractor, no one around. But I saw something under all that paint, a little Farmall B calling my name. Click, place, bid, and I took that chance. Didn't know that she'd run again. Now she's back to red again, shining in the sun. From a pile of rust to a job well done. Yeah, I brought her back to life with these two hands. Now she's back to red again. She was stuck up tight, wouldn't even turn. Valves locked down, stiff and firm. One push, right bend, engine cold as stone. But I swore right then I'd bring her home. Free two valves, got her moving free. Straighten that rod back carefully. Hit the starter and she came alive, purring smooth like a sewing machine drive. Now she's back to red again, shining in the sun. From a pile of rust to a job well done. Yeah, I brought her back to life with these two hands. Now she's back to red again, tore down to the bones, piece by piece. Every bolt set right, every tolerance clean. Fresh eye red, now she gleams instead of the rust she wore. She turns heads, from a screen to a shed to a second life.
Through grease and grit and a little strife,
She ain't just steel, she's work that lasts.
proof you can bring old iron back.
Yeah, she's back to red again, brighter than before. Every turn of a wrench evened up the score. Yeah, I brought her back to life, now she stands my shining red.